Hey everyone, Corey Mendelsohn coming to you live from NewIntelligent from Montreal, Quebec. Hope everyone's having a great day. Coming to you live from the tennis courts. Figured while I'm here, I talk to you about one of our modules that we have with regards to SAP Business One as it relates to our service module. Figured that it would be quite apropos in regards to talking to you about it, given I'm here on the tennis courts. Wanted to tell you what we have, looking at information. If you're running a service department and you're looking at RMAs and want to see what's going on in regards to your business, you really want to have a look at this module. It allows you to look at the information from a variety of perspectives, whether you're looking at labor costs, whether you're looking at tech and travel costs, looking at all this information, looking at open RMAs. It really gives you a variety of information to look at. You can look at your information by customer, by item, by technician, looking at different statuses, priorities, call types, being able to look at the information at different dates from the perspective of assigned dates, close dates, creation dates, and also looking at a variety of metrics, looking at things from the perspective of service and tech hours, as well as cost as well. So again, you want to learn more about what we have in regards to this part of the solution for SAP Business One? Check out sap.newintelligence.ca. Have yourself a great one, everyone. All the best.